guys, it's Tanya M, and I'm back with a wig review brought to you by an Amazon seller, JYZ. They sent me over their blue skunk stripe body wave wig. I got the 22-inch. She is 200 density. I really love that it's pre-colored. It also comes with a green instead of the blue if you want something more vibrant. It's really pretty. It did not have a funky smell. Of course it smells like hair, but the smell was a typical what hair smells like. This is what the cap construction looks like. It has 3 combs in the front behind the frontal, a comb in the back. It does have some extra lace in the back in case you want to put your hair up. And it has like the bra strap adjustable straps, and of course, if you saw in the beginning, they also sent over an elastic band in case you want to sew that in for a glueless look. And you can wear this wig glueless, of course. The hair is really soft. The knots do not come bleached, so if I bleached mine, I will bleach these. And the hairline, for me, it's a bit boxy, so I will go in and pluck the hairline as well. The knots in the front are really small, so that's a plus. They do get a little bit bigger when you go back into the frontal, but that's fine. I didn't care about that. I will say that I did bleach it, and it took bleach really well, so definitely real human hair. This is just me trying the wig on. It is big head friendly, but it's also small head friendly. I feel like people talk about big head bursts, but what about the peanut heads like me, you know? But I did adjust the straps, and once I adjusted the straps, it became real snug on my head. The frontal wasn't too big, so this is a plus in that department for me. So this is the wig after I bleached the knots, washed it, and plucked the lace. I have my ball cap ready, and yeah, it looks flawless. Oh my gosh. Like I said, it was really easy to bleach the knots. It took bleach really well, and it was easy to pluck as well. The knots were not close together. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in and customize the wig, and y'all can watch me do that. Guys, here I'm just telling you I'm doing 3 layers of glue. I did not record me doing 3 layers, but just so you know. I also wanted to mention that this wig is really, really affordable. For the 22-inch, it was like $109. Of course, you can get like a 20-inch for under $100. So if you're looking for affordable wig that's already colored, definitely hop on this deal. As I'm curling this unit, I do want to say that the hair takes heat very, very well. And I will say I did use my styling spray or my curl holding spray, whatever you want to call it. I forgot what you call it. It is a flexible hold, but I will say that after a little bit, the curls do drop a bit. But I don't know. I feel like I don't know too many human hair wigs where the curls hold up 100%. Even with my own natural hair, the curls don't last all day, but it did take heat very well, and it was very easy to curl the hair. Okay. Overall, I'm really satisfied with this wig. It definitely gave me a bang for my buck, so it wasn't like I was throwing away money. This is a 22-inch again, which comes down really long on me, but I'm only 5'2", so just keep that in mind. I can get away with shorter lengths because I am so short. It's definitely worth the price though. Like I said, it's only a little bit over $100 for this length, and you can get you can get shorter lengths like 20 inches for under $100. So I'm really impressed with the affordability. I'm impressed with the quality. Again, it was easy to curl, not super easy to bleach. It looks really professional quality, so definitely hop on this. They had minimal flyaways at the crown of the frontal, and it definitely was a really full wig, so it holds up to its 200 density claim. So you can always click the link in the description box to make your purchase. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked this mini install tutorial plus curling tutorial to get those famous body wave curls with the layers in the front. I'm obsessed with them, so I do them to like almost all my wigs, even my synthetic ones. But guys, thank you for watching and supporting my channel. If you like content like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload new content.